Yo, Sagafet, today I'm gonna show you how to create a simple Afrobeat from scratch in FL Studio 25. Let's have some fun. I wanna start by creating the melody and then after add the drums. And let's set our tempo maybe 100, let's say 97, and okay, now we complete the chord. Okay. That's our chord progression. We have those as our low note. Let's take them down a little bit and add us. Sorry. Alt O, so we play with those. Alt X. Okay, now we are going to create the main melody. Once you have your chord, guys, the beat is definitely maybe 40% done. That's how it works for me. When I find a nice chord progression, it's easy for me to lay down more melody and then work on the drums. Maybe we have another G, and then we have a D right there. Okay. And then we do the same thing for the other chord. And then that should go up. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, this is a major. We try to match them, and then this one is another major. We try to match them too. That's gonna be a C right there, and then this has to be a D now. That's nice. That's a nice melody. Okay, now I think I wanna change the way I have those. Let's play it with this one. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, let's do it like that to see if it's working. If it's not working, we move to something else. Let's see. Okay. Okay, we try this, and then boom, we have it like that. The mallet, it is in mono. I wanna add some stereo, make it a little bit wider. Let's go to gain and then use the fruity stereo shaper and try to find. Now I wanna add more melody. Let's see, we use maybe Sky Key. I didn't use this plugin for some time now. Let's see if we can find something. Okay, we can use this just like that. Hey, that's good. Let's try to find. Okay, that's not bad. Aye, that's it. That's it. That's a nice melody we have here. Guys, remember in the Afrobeat Essential Border Volume 2, there are some guitars. Let's try to find something that work with this. Okay, let's go to the stems instead. Let's try this one right there. Okay, maybe we use this part right there. Go to cell, use this right there, and then this is on the key of D minor. You can see that we have the information right there. We transpose it minus 200. Okay. Okay, I only need this part right there. I think that's a nice melody line that we have right now. We can start working on the drums. We can use that kick right there, fill each 4 steps, and then we go to the Afrobeat Volume 3 that I'm currently working on, and then let's use this perk right there. Simple. Ooh. I think we can do something with those. I don't like them anymore. We can have them like they should be. Or we can do pingo don, dongo don, then do. Maybe. Okay, I think it's better now. Comment B. Oh, sorry. Comment B. Always listen to what you have created and then see if you like it. Ooh, that's a vibe. Okay, for fire, we have to go to bonus and then we add the grooving bass. You know, that's my favorite bass, guys. When I created that sample, I said, damn, this is a bass. I will have to use this in many projects, and I've been using this since. Okay. I think we're in the key of C minor. Okay. Ooh, it's a vibe. Okay, let's play it now. Okay, another thing we can do is like add a part 2 right there, Command B, and then we turn this one into something unique, and then we remove the bass, because I think I have an idea. We go to Essential Border Volume 2, and then we go to the drum fill. Yeah, that's what I have in mind. Okay, we use that conga right there. Now we can remove those kick right there. Maybe we take this one higher. Okay, that's good. That's nice. Let's see we start. I was about to record the outro and then the battery died. That was crazy. I wanted to say that I love beat that leave a lot of space for the artist. And remember, in music production, less is more. You don't have to add a lot of melody. I think that's our best shot of getting placement or having more beat sales, by leaving a lot of space for the artist. That's the best shot I think we can have. So keep your beat simple and see you on the next one.